far from you, yet to me you were always so close. I wandered lost in the dark. I closed my eyes to all the signs you put in my way. I walked every day further and further away from you. Ooh, Allah, you brought me home. I thank you with every breath I take. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. I never thought about all the things you have given to me. I never thanked you once. I was too proud to see the truth and prostrate to you until I took the first step, and that's when you opened the doors for me. Now, Allah, I realize what I was missing by being far from
Artine tiyang ingkang badhe makan badhe pecah wektu niku dilalah kang Gusti Allah dinani eling maring Gusti Allah mergo dheweke maos raditu billahi robba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya.
all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Allah, I wanna thank you. I wanna thank you for all the things that you've done.